guys, welcome back to my channel. Dah lama I tak upload video makeup. I miss you guys, all my makeup tribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and click this video. First thing first. And second thing is selamat menyambut bulan Ramadan. Selamat berpuasa dan tak lama lagi kita akan menyambut hari raya. And I tak sabar buat macam a few looks for you guys too. I'm back guys, I'm back. Like I'm literally so pumped for YouTube videos. I banyak buat Instagram videos before this. If you tak follow my Instagram yet, I'll put a link down below if you guys wanna follow me. So hari ni I nak buat unboxing daripada Maybelline, and this is like the new product yang masuk dalam Malaysian market. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I nak update something to you guys. Actually, if you guys notice like few difference in this video, I tak tahu lah you guys notice ke tak. I tak tahu they are different or not. But I changed camera. Like I think my skin look nampak smooth sikit kot pakai kamera ni. So yeah, let's get into the video. Tengok ni. Oh, saya ada lampu tau. First, I thought maybe macam ni Raya collection. Tapi sebenarnya this macam produk, dia punya theme adalah Get Your Glow On. So, the light means glow. Thank you so much Maybelline Malaysia for giving this gift for me. Sedapat tu memang tersusun elok semua benda kan. Tapi I dah guna dah, sudah berterabur. And I nak tunjuk this one to you guys. Like I'm so like macam terharu. I got my name on this mirror. Like this is specialized for me. So dalam video ni I akan tunjuk the stuff yang I dapat, and juga I akan try on my skin, and I akan bagi my honest opinion. So the first thing is the highlighter. Sebab highlighter ni is the one that I'm so excited. Sebab I tengok dah lama dekat negara orang putih kan, dah lama keluar kan. So macam teringin gila. So bila I tengok dalam box ni ada these two items, I was like, oh my god, thank you so much. Finally I got this one. So this one is the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. Lima dalam dua coat, which is 100, which is the Molten Gold, dan the other one is 050 Molten Rose Gold. So basically ada dua lah shade, ataupun dia ada dua toner, which is warna yang lebih kuning-kuning gold-gold, and satu lagi lebih ke merah jambu ataupun pinkish rose macam tu. So I'm gonna try this right now. I done tried that and it worked amazing. It's like my top highlighter from Produk. Alright, so ni dia punya dalam dia. Nampak kan? Ni dia macam lebih ke gold and pink dia. And I can swatch on my hand. It's very blinding. It's very creamy. It's very buttery. It's not chunky. It's all I ever wanted dekat highlighter. You believe what you see. So I can tunjuk lah you guys. This one is the Molten Rose. So I can ambil, and then I akan letak this. I tak ada letak highlighter apa-apa lagi. Oh, look at that. Like it's so blinding. It's so I tak tahu nak cakap. Dia macam blinding nak mampus. And dia punya highlighter memang best. Dia memang tak chunky at all. And I nak tengok dia eccentric pores or not. I guess my pores are thin, tapi tak adalah obvious sangat pun. Lagipun I tak ada pores sangat kan kat pipi ni. I just ada kat sini. So I tak boleh nak comment sangat. But I love it. Like this is in pink colour, tapi walaupun dia pink, dia sangat subtle and nampak cantik lah. Memang nampak nice. I suka. I tak tahu nak habang. I suka lah. What do you guys think? So I akan letak gold sebelah sini pula. This warna gold. Both cantik tau. Serius, both cantik. Both Cantik. Highlighter retail for RM52.90. Moving on to the next product, one which is the Sensational Effect Eyeshadow. Effect Eyeshadow comes in 4 shades tau. Dia ada orange rust, burgundy ash, smoky bronze and one more which is the platinum. Tapi I tak tahu I letak kat mana. I pakai baru-baru ni the platinum one, tapi I tak sure I letak kat mana. I'm so sorry that I couldn't show in this video. I akan bagi tahu harga dululah. This one retail for RM42.90. Okay, this is burgundy. This orange rust, the smoky bronze. Oh my god, it looks amazing. I nak cari lah yang platinum tu. Tunggu sekejap, I nak cari sebab I nak tunjuk. Wait, tak jumpa. I'm so sorry I tak boleh show the platinum one. Tapi kalau hampa nak tengok, hampa boleh tengok dekat YouTuber lain yang dah buat unboxing Maybelline produk ni, yang I tahu daripada Alia Azizan. Bolehlah tengok dekat video ke Alia. I akan tinggalkan link dekat bawah. I akan try dekat mata I sekarang. So I nak try, which shade you think should I try? Burgundy, orange or this bronze? I rasa nak try this bronze kot sebab matching dengan I punya tudung. Nampak tak? It's so easy you guys. It's so easy to apply. Okay, orange rush ni, bukan rush, orange rust. Maksudnya karat. Betul lah. So, dia memang warna karat. Warna nak macam orange karat sikit. But it's nice. Moving on to the next items, which is the Master Camouflage Duo. So, dia datang dengan 4 shade. Is like the real products. Ada lagi satu shade dalam kotak ni, tak keluar lagi. So, untuk setiap shade ni, untuk setiap produk ni, dia ada different shade, which is here. I show you guys. So, the first one is the green font. So, ni dia punya produk. Satu set warna hijau and satu set lagi warna cerah. You guys tak tahu, jangan risau. I akan bagi tahu. Yang warna hijau ni selalunya untuk reduce redness. Kalau you ada redness dekat you punya kulit, you letak dekat that redness, that spot, and then you apply foundation. So, dia akan, redness tu akan disappear. And then yang warna lebih kepada warna orange macam tu, biasanya orang letak tempat yang gelap, usually under eyes ataupun any like pigmentation yang you ada dekat you punya muka. And warna yang lebih cerah adalah warna highlight lah. Macam biasa you nak highlight dekat mana, selalunya you akan highlight under your eyes, dekat chin, dekat center of the forehead and juga dekat bridge of the nose. Ni satu warna highlight and satu warna color corrector. So this is in code peach font. And the last thing is in code peach sand. So yang warna sand ni biasanya untuk correct the raised pimple. Master Camouflage Duo Stick retail for RM39.90. I have tried this product before and I think it's very easy to blend. So, what do you guys think? Dia macam tutup dah my other eyes. I think in this camera and juga real life pun dia memang betul-betul, I don't know, I tak mau bagi macam, sebabkan dapat produk ni, I macam asyik bagi tahu the good things and everything. Tapi I think like dia macam bagi coverage lah for under my eyes. And I really love the coverage. Tapi I tak tahu how long it lasts. I tak mau asyik bagi positive review je. Tapi this is very good. I have nothing to complain. I'm so sorry guys, I have nothing to complain. You guys tell me how the concealer perform. Let me know in the comment down below. Okay, so moving on to the last item. Like finally, thank you so much kalau you guys still tengok this video sebab I tak tahu how long this will be. Tone on Tone Nude. I've been trying this and I've been loving this. Like it's so good guys. I tak tahu nak cakap, dia memang gold. Bukan. In this collection dia memang glow. So dia ada shimmer and dia ada glitter sikit. I've been trying this coat, 2 coat. Ada buka and 2 coat lagi, I tak buka lagi. So these 2 coats is yang satu yang warna rose dan satu lagi yang lebih kepada gold. Honestly, I lebih suka yang lebih kepada gold. Ni dia punya colour. Satu side tu untuk kat bawah, macam yang ni should be atas and ni should be bawah. So you just macam swipe je like that on your eyelids and it will create like a very nice like shimmer and natural looking. Tapi satu je, bila I letak banyak kan, sebab I nak bagi dia betul-betul pigmented, dia tak ada nak betul-betul pigmented. Macam after like 1 hour, 2 hour, it start creasing between my eyelids tu. So I tak recommend untuk you guys letak banyak. The Tone on Tone Nudes Eyeshadow retail for RM39, 9 kupang juga. Moving on to the last item, which is the Fashion Brow Ultra Fluffy. So I dah guna dah. Dia main in 3 shades, and this one retail for RM39, 9 kupang. So I can try this Ultra Brow Fluffy. I dah try, and I'm gonna be like brutally honest here, I tak enjoy sangat lah. Tapi I faham the concept of this eyebrow. I hanya try sekali je, and that one time I rasa macam, come on, give me pigmentation. So ni shade yang I guna. I rasa macam shade dia ni dah gelap dah. So I akan guna shade yang sama even in this video. Dia tulis kat sini, this eyebrow 12 jam fluffy brow with precise tail. And then dia ada daripada thick to thin teardrop tip. Memang dia punya tip ni bentuk teardrop. I'm gonna show you after this. And dia powder in pan formula. Oh, that's why. Maybe konsep dia memang fluffy, tapi like not my, orang kata apa tu, not my taste lah, macam tu lah. Semua produk yang I tunjuk dekat you guys tadi, daripada highlighter, kepada eyeshadow, tone on tone, kepada apa concealer and the master chrome, everything, kepada brow and every product yang I tunjuk kat you guys just now, the one product that I would recommend for you guys to get it is highlighter. Yes, get it. Kalau ada sale, jangan fikir. Kalau ada sale, beli tak boleh. But yeah, second items, I guess I would recommend the one that I've been using right now. The color is in orange rust and also the smoky bronze. Also the platinum one is also good. Tapi you guys boleh try dekat drugstores kan. You boleh try dekat Watsons kan. Oh, by the way, this product is available at Watsons only. So if you guys want to buy it, go ahead, purchase it. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would like to know what you guys think and repost it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for clicking this video and coming back to me every single time I upload video. I will teruskan buat makeup video for few months, but I still tak dapat kerja. I betul-betul harap I dapat kerja bulan 6, tapi I tak dapat kerja bulan 6 ni, maybe in August. So maybe bila I dapat kerja nanti I dah jarang upload video, but before that I hope I will upload like regularly. Just pray for me guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. Selamat menyambut bulan Ramadan dan happy fasting. Bye.